Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today we're unboxing Asus ProArt 5K PA27JCV display. VES HDR 500, Kalman verified, VESA verified. Let's take a look at the box. Just ordinary box. 5K HDR, it's not HDR, it's just 5K. Auto KVM, color accuracy is less than Delta E2. USB-C, display port, picture-in-picture, USB hub, eye care, 4-way ergonomic stand, wall mountable, 3-year warranty. I mean, it's just a good creator monitor. So let's go into this. Let's open it up. Come. Can you see that? Can you see? Can you see the action? Okay, let's go. Let's open this up. What do we have here? We have Kalman verification, testing, Gamma 219, sRGB Delta 07, DCI-P3, color accuracy 042. That's goddamn well. We'll see, we'll see. What do we have? We have HDMI cable, power cable, put it to the side. We have books, stickers if you need, European energy, British energy. Let's get to the side. Oh, we have a cleaner. There's Asus logo in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is Asus logo here. I love it. This is something. This is unlocked. This is locked. We have USB-C. What else we have? Silver color, not the best, but not the worst, definitely, because this is greater monitor. This is not the goal, you know. Goal is good view and bright view. 500 nits, man. 500 nits. That's the goal, you know. You have this. What we need to do, screw up. We need to screw up. As this is, screw them up so you can see it. Let me screw you up. Give me what you got. Give me what you got. Cool. We got a stand. Now, we need to take all this away. Take away these things. Put it to the side. Here we have a monitor. You know what we need to do with a monitor? What we need to do is go there, and that's it. We got a monitor, okay. Okay, we got it. Now, let's take out this monitor. You know what I can say? The back of the monitor is actually looking quite professional. The back of it, the black color is good, but the stand, my tip for the Asus, get 100 euro on top of this monitor. Not 800 euros, let it be 900, and put metal on all it is. Just make it metal so we see it, and then the first reaction would be oh, what a quality stand, you know. It could be so, but it could look great. That's just my tip. What do we have here? On the back, another sticker. God damn, we don't need no stickers, we need view. And oh damn, that's some leftovers. As you see, there's button and buttons. Okay, power, and here we have HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, and then a little bit of hub. So that's that. How about a little demonstration on the display itself? Now, let's get that power cable and let's try my gaming laptop. Not a PC, because my RTX 1590 is at the warranty service. Yeah. Yes. Now, what we need to do, keyboard, put it in the channel 2, take it, put it in the channel 2, turn on the display. Now the question is, will it automatically pick it up or not? We'll see. Yes. In compliance with the energy related, the max brightness mode is fixed. Note energy saving will be set power from the deep black normal, and would you like to remain? No. And what do we have? Let's get the display. 200. Now scaling is 200. Landscape, awesome. This stuff is awesome. Some leftovers there also. Drugs, yeah, you see what I'm seeing. Let's do the 8K video or something. Of course, mute the music, because that might be... Damn, these colors, wow. Beautiful, beautiful, Jesus Christ. Look at it. It's beautiful. Yeah. I mean, 4K OLED is like completely out of the league, but the colors on this one, when there's no black, just the colors itself, it's just... So now I have a choice. If I am doing my developing job, I'm doing it on this. We'll see how of course, the development tools look on it, but yeah, that was the little demo. So thank you for being today. That was unboxing of Asus PA27JCV content creator monitor, and just like my video, comment on it if you have any questions, if you want to buy it, and subscribe to my channel because I need you guys. Bye.